Let's get our drink on! Whether you're here for a quick pick-me-up or just want to treat yourself to something special, you're in the right place. Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Your kitchen too, 'cause we're family. I'm so glad you're joining me today, and I promise we're about to have a whole lot of fun together. Today, I'm sharing easy, healthy, and delicious vegan drinks that'll boost your energy, immunity, and wellness. These aren't just any drinks. They're packed with flavor, color, and all the good stuff your body craves. We're talking superfoods, plant-based goodness, and recipes so simple you'll want them every day. From vibrant berries to leafy greens and seeds, every ingredient is chosen to nourish you from the inside out. So grab your blender, your favorite mug, and let's make some magic. 'Cause that's our business. Get ready to sip, smile, and feel amazing. Let's dive right in and whip up something wonderful together. First up, let's kick off your day with the ultimate vegan green smoothie, your new morning ritual for energy and glow. Don't fear the green, honey. This smoothie is as delicious as it is vibrant, and it's packed with nutrients to fuel your body and mind. Start by tossing in a generous handful of fresh spinach, a ripe banana for natural sweetness, and a mix of frozen pineapple and mango for that tropical zing. Pour in unsweetened almond milk or any plant milk you love, and add a spoonful of chia seeds for a boost of fiber and omega-3s. Blend everything together until it's silky smooth and creamy, letting all those flavors and nutrients combine into one gorgeous green drink. What you get is pure plant-powered energy in a glass, refreshing, nourishing, and perfect for busy mornings or a midday pick-me-up. Take a sip and feel the difference. Creamy, sweet, and so satisfying. You'll be amazed at how good healthy can taste. Make a batch ahead of time and you'll be reaching for this green goodness all week long. Cheers to your new favorite smoothie. Next, let's make an immunity-boosting turmeric latte, a warm hug in a mug. Gently heat coconut milk, whisk in turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, ginger, and a touch of maple syrup. Don't let it boil, just warm it through. Pour into your favorite mug and breathe in that golden aroma. This is self-care in a cup. Sip and feel the love. Time for a gentle reset with herbal detox tea. Steep dandelion root, milk thistle, peppermint, and ginger in hot water. Add lemon juice and a touch of honey or agave if you like. It's a simple way to show your body some love. Sip and feel refreshed. Need lasting energy? Try this chia seed energy drink. Mix chia seeds into water or coconut water, stir well and let sit until thick. Add lime or lemon juice and a bit of sweetener. Toss in berries or mint for extra flavor. It's hydrating, energizing, and great for your gut. Drink up and feel the difference. Eat the rainbow with this superfood berry smoothie. Blend frozen mixed berries, acai powder, plant-based protein, and pomegranate juice. Pour into a bowl, top with fresh berries, granola, and almond butter. It's antioxidant rich and tastes like dessert. Healthy never looked or tasted so good. Enjoy every spoonful. Let's care for our tummies with a lemon ginger tonic. Warm water, fresh lemon juice, grated ginger, and a pinch of cayenne. Add a drop of honey if you need sweetness. Sip slowly in the morning for a gentle, healthy start. It supports digestion and metabolism. Simple, powerful, and soothing. Cool down with a cucumber mint hydration cooler. Blend cucumber, mint, lime juice, and cold water or coconut water. Strain, pour over ice, and garnish with mint and cucumber. It's pure refreshment, perfect for hot days or after a workout. Hydrate and feel revived. Your body will thank you. And there you have it, 7 healthy, delicious drinks, each one bursting with vibrant flavors and packed with nourishing ingredients. Whether you're looking for a refreshing pick-me-up, a post-workout boost, or just a fun way to add more plants to your day, these drinks have you covered. They're not just good for your body, they're a treat for your taste buds and your soul. Every sip is a little celebration of health, color, and creativity. I encourage you to try them out. Experiment with your favorite fruits, veggies, and superfoods, and really make these recipes your own. Don't be afraid to get creative. Add a twist, swap an ingredient, or invent a brand new blend. And once you've given them a go, I'd absolutely love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments which drink was your favorite, or if you came up with a unique combination that you think everyone should try. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more easy, healthy recipes, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss a new recipe or helpful tip. Your support means the world to me and helps this community grow. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today and for being part of this journey toward healthier, happier living. Take care of yourself, keep spreading kindness and love wherever you go, and remember, your well-being matters. I love you all so much. Bye for now, and see you in the next video. If you have any feedback or want to see something specific next time, just let me know. I'm always here to help you on your wellness journey.